Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can delete your Bigo account. Now for that, first of all, open the application on your mobile device and you need to get logged in into your account at first. Here you can see that I have been already logged in into my account. Now then go to your profile section by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're at your profile section, you need to scroll down and there you need to click on the setting option. Inside setting, you will see the option of account management. You tap open that. Inside account management, if you scroll down to the very end, you will see the option of account ownership. And just below, if you read carefully, there you will also see the option of delete account. You tap on that. Account deletion condition. Here you need to pass all these options to delete your account at first. That is, your account is saved as no longer withdrawn property or others. If you passed all the delete condition, you tap on confirm and continue. Now here you need to read all the information that has been provided to you by the Bigo. You tap on the checkbox and then tap on delete account. Confirm to delete. If you are sure that you want to delete this account, you just tap on delete account. Once you tap on delete account, your process for deleting your account will get registered to the Bigo and the account information and every data will get deleted within 20 days time period. If you want to restore your account, you can log in before that and all the deletion process will have to start from the beginning. Now that you're done, you tap on delete account. Your account has been deleted successfully and you have been logged out. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.